Let's take a look at how you can use multiple trials in Datably to explore different ways the model might solve your problem. So first, I went up to settings and increased the temperature from the default of 0.2 to 1, just to let the model get more creative. In this case, I built a model to predict whether someone died or didn't die, using a dataset with an AUC of 0.816. And I told Datably to get creative with the probability cutoff for classifying outcomes. So, in Trial A, it chose a cutoff of 35%, meaning anyone with a predicted probability above that gets classified as having died. You can see it generated a nice little confusion table comparing predicted versus actual. Then I told it to go even more creative, and Trial B picked a cutoff of 28%, again showing the predicted versus actual table. Now here's where trials really come in handy. I asked Datably, which of these two cutoffs results in a lower mean squared error, MSE? In Trial A, it gave a super clear answer. Actually computed the MSE for both and showed the values. Easy to compare, and the lower one stands out. Trial B took a different approach. Instead of showing the actual numbers, it just returned true, meaning the MSE from the first cutoff was lower than the second. A little less helpful unless you read the code carefully. And then in Trial C, it just returned 1, which means the first cutoff wins. But again, no explanation or context. So while all three trials agreed that the first cutoff performed better, the format of the response varied. This is a great example of how multiple trials can give you not just consensus, but different perspectives. And sometimes one format is just easier to interpret than the others.